Welcome to Biotech Now. This is Tracy Cooley, and today I am here with Andrew Emmett, Bio's Managing Director for Science and Regulatory Affairs. And Andrew works on the Prescription Drug User Fee Act, FDA, and other regulatory issues. And Andrew's going to be talking to us today about the upcoming Bio International Convention, which will be in Boston in June. We will have several high-level regulatory sessions and breakout sessions. Welcome, Andrew.
Thank you.
To begin with, tell us why FDA and regulatory issues are so important right now. Why is there so much discussion going into this convention?
Well, 2012 is going to be a momentous year for FDA reform, as we see passage of the Prescription Drug User Fee Act, PDUFA 5, as well as additional regulatory reforms related to expediting approval of new drugs and biologics, supply chain integrity oversight, pediatrics, and drug shortages. And there are going to be some significant shifts to the change of the regulatory landscape moving forward that will be very, very important for Bio 2012 attendees to be aware of.
And so tell us a little bit more about that, the topics and the sessions that will be focused on these issues at convention.
Well, there will be a number of sessions within Bio's Achieving Regulatory Approval and Compliance track, including an FDA town hall featuring senior leadership from FDA's Center for Drugs and Center for Biologics, where they will discuss their respective priorities as well as address questions from the audience. There will also be a town hall session featuring leaders from the European Medicines Agency and the FDA to address key international and harmonization issues as well. A number of the emerging topics that I discussed will also be key features of sessions featuring thought leaders from the biotech arena and government, such as sessions on PDUFA 5 and the underlying technical agreement and changes to FDA's review process, sessions on biosimilars implementation and FDA's recently released guidances on biosimilars, sessions on regulatory science and structured benefit and risk, as well as best practices for navigating FDA's advisory committee process, and also a number of specific sessions on pediatrics and on targeted oncology therapies and on guidelines for antibiotics development.
So one of the things we talk about with convention is connect, partner, and innovate, and how our industry can do a better job of all three of those activities. So tell me, I'm an innovator coming to convention. Why are these sessions so important to me? Why can I not miss these sessions?
Well, we all know that drug development is a long and costly process, and the regulatory environment plays a key role in the ability of companies to innovate and to attract investor capital. And in 2012, we're going to see some significant shifts to the regulatory framework at FDA and how they conduct reviews, how they meet with sponsors to promote drug development and promote innovation. And it's very important for regulatory affairs professionals and biotech executives to understand these regulatory rules of the road and any potential shifts we may see in them in 2012.
Well, thank you for joining us today. We hope to see you at the Bio International Convention.
Thank you.
And for more information on the convention, please visit convention.bio.org. For Biotech Now, this is Tracy Cooley.